my lipstick lovers out there. This is my lip service project pan update 1. When you own as many lipsticks as I do, you gotta put them in a project pan or something. How is everybody? If you're new here, hi, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the family. My name is Rose. I'm a girl boss on a budget who loves to save money and project pan. Today's video is my first official update on my lip service project pan. This is a Pantastic ladies collab. I will be sure to link them down below for you guys. Feel free to go check out the Facebook group. Everybody is so wonderful. If you want to be a part of the Pantastic ladies group on Facebook, you just have to answer 3 questions and they will let you in with open, loving arms. The creators of this project is Amanda and Jessica. Please go check out their channels. If you're not already subscribed, they are a great bunch of women. What the objective of lip service is, you pick one type of lipstick from each category of lip products. So for example, 1 lip gloss, you would pick 1 lip balm, 1 bullet lipstick, and 1 liquid lipstick, 1 lipstick pencil, and I even went the extra mile and put a lip liner in my project. The reason I didn't do an update on this last month, because this is technically my 2nd month into this project, but my first update. The reason I didn't do an update last month on this project was because there wasn't a whole lot of progress on my lip products to really show you guys. So I wanted to just wait and give it another month to see, to make sure there was a little bit of progress, because it takes a long time to use up lip products. Lip gloss, I haven't been having a problem with. I've been doing very, very well with my lip gloss. But as far as like the lip pencil and my bullet lipstick, it's just, there wasn't a whole bunch of progress. This was a year-long rolling project, and it started officially January of this year. The project will come to an end on December 31st of this year. I didn't start this project until September 19th of 2019, so that is why I didn't really have a whole bunch of progress on my lip products to show you guys. I will also be sure to link the intro to this in the cards. Feel free to go check it out, and I want to start with the one that I made the most progress on, which is my e.l.f. lip gloss. This one has the most progress. This is the e.l.f. plumping lip gloss, and it's going to be kind of hard to tell, but you can see actually pretty good right there. I made it halfway on this. I am hoping that I will be able to use this up entirely by the end of the year. These products I didn't even really necessarily set a goal on, and that just goes to show you how much I've learned since I've started in these products, not setting goals thinking I was confident and thinking, oh, I can use them up, but I also was thinking I was going to be doing a project for a year. So does that make sense? So since I'm not, there's no reason to really set a goal. I'm just going to continue using these products, these lip products, and show you guys the progress I've made until the end of the year. And then the next lip product is my lipstick pencil, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. So I did 1 bullet lip, 1 liquid lip, 1 crayon lip, a lip liner, and a lip gloss. And I had a lip balm, but I did use the lip balm up, and that was my little Tarte lip balm. So I will go ahead and show you the progress on this. There isn't a whole lot. As you can see, there is a lot in that tube still, but I did keep track of my progress. So let's go ahead and see where I'm at this month. It's going to be really hard to tell because my lights are so bright. I'm trying to position it just right to where you guys can see. So as you can see, there is a little bit of progress there, not a whole lot. You can just tell that the dome of it wore down a little bit, but not a whole lot of progress on it. Now I got a big old mess at the bottom. This is where I keep track. I've been keeping my progress. There's some progress there, but not a whole lot. So let me go ahead and fill in the difference so you can maybe kind of see it that way. There's a little bit of progress there, nothing too drastic. There's a lot of product in these. Look how much product there is in that. That's going to last a very long time, and I really do enjoy this. I use it a lot. I'm surprised there's not a lot more progress on that. Next is my Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Rosewood. This is an absolutely beautiful lip color. I haven't really made no like visible thing to draw progress on this. I was hoping that you would be able to see progress, but I haven't seen any. I still can't see no progress on it. Let me just show you guys the shade. Look how absolutely stunning that is. It is such a beautiful color. Beautiful for wintertime. Just a really nice formula. It is very comfortable on the lips. And it is not over drying. It doesn't dry down and crack your lips all up or make them give that butthole lip going on. This is a really, really nice, affordable, comfortable liquid lip. Next is my ColourPop Luxe lipstick. This is my bullet lipstick for the project in the shade Come On Sis. And it is a really pretty lipstick. I think a lot of us, for the most part, are familiar with ColourPop's Luxe lipsticks. They are very nice, very pigmented, very creamy, and it is a beautiful shade. I'm going to try to show you guys progress. There isn't a whole bunch, and I don't want to get the paper all messy like I did with the other one, so let's hope. There is some progress on that one, though. I'm impressed. I'm actually surprised in that. Let me go ahead and mark it so you guys can see a little better. As you can see, there is a little bit of progress there, which is really nice. If I move that away, you can see where the line was and where it is now, which is really not too bad. I actually am really surprised. I made pretty good progress on this for this month. And lastly is my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. Let me go ahead and show you guys the progress on this. And I start it from the base down. I don't include that just because when it gets to down here, you ain't using that. So my NYX Suede Matte is right here. This one in the middle, and we are going to find out together if I made any progress at all. As you can see, I have made a little bit of progress there. Nothing too crazy, but I have made some progress, so let me mark that. You can see there is my progress on that, which is not too bad. It's progress. I'm just happy that I have progress, and I will gladly take it. So that is all of my products, and that is everything for my lip service project pan. I do apologize. I'm not doing an update with it last month on my first month in on this project, and I do use these lip products often. And as you can see, there's still not a whole lot of progress on them. But I will do a finale to this video. That is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And until the next video, you guys, everybody enjoy the rest of their day. Bye.